How are you going to create advertising company? For this you must create an advertising website. In this video I will teach you step by step how to create an advertising website. Now you can see the homepage design of the advertisement website. You will get powerful admin panel to control the website. You can control all the features of the website through this admin panel. Now I will discuss with you some important features of the website. Then I will teach you step by step how to create a website for advertising. Users can easily log into the website, and they can easily create a new account on the website. Now I will show you a publisher account login. Now you can see the dashboard of a publisher's account. They can easily apply domain to their website. You can also see many other features. I will now show you the dashboard of an advertiser's account. Advertisers can purchase packages of their choice, and they can advertise their company in various ways. Advertisers can also see many other features on the website. In this video, I will discuss with you step by step the admin panel of the website. For this, our website needs to install hosting panel first. If you want to build an advertising network website, you need to purchase the source code from Envato. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of this source code in the video description. If you buy this source code once, then you can use it for lifetime on the website. You also get lifetime updated versions and developer support. Using this source code, you can create professional ads network website. Now we will learn how to purchase source code from Envato very easily. For this we need to click on Add to Cart button first. Then go to Checkout. Now we need to create Envato account. We can easily create an account through Google, or you can create account using other social media. Also here you can create account by submitting correct information. I have already created Envato account, so I will log in account now. Then you must submit the billing details. You can easily pay through bank card. We have to make total payment of $107.79. Here we have to submit the correct information of the card to make the payment through the banking card. Then click this button to confirm payment. Once the payment is completed, you can download the zip file of the source code and the license key. If you don't have a bank card, you can easily pay through PayPal. Now we need to confirm the payment by logging into the PayPal account. Once the payment is completed, you can download the zip file of the source code and the license key. Domain hosting is required if you want to publish your advertiser website online. You can buy high-quality domain hosting from Hostinger at low cost. Check the video description because I will give the discount link of Hostinger website in the video description. I am using Hostinger domain hosting for my personal websites because their service is very good. Now we will learn how to purchase domain hosting from Hostinger. You get a free domain with these packages. You also get a 30-day money-back guarantee with every package. If you don't like your domain hosting within 30 days, you can get your dollars back. Also, you can get 24 hours technical support. You can purchase any package of your choice from here without any problem. As an example, I would now purchase a business web hosting package. I will purchase this package for 12 months. Now we need to create Hostinger account. We can easily create an account through Google. Wow, we are getting 73% discount. We have to make a total payment of $47.88. We can make payment through bank card very easily. For this, submit the correct information of your banking card here. Then click this button to confirm the payment. You can also pay through PayPal. Or you can pay using other international payment gateways. This way you can buy high-quality domain hosting from Hostinger at low cost. After purchasing domain hosting, you will get such a dashboard. Now we will upload the source code. For this we need to go to File Manager. Then we need to click on Public HTML folder. After purchasing the source code, we will be given a zip file. Now we will extract this zip file. Then convert this folder into zip file. Now we will upload this zip file. Then we need to choose a folder name. Now we will delete this zip file. Now select all these files, then submit to public HTML folder. Now delete this folder. Now type our domain into the browser and search. Then enter /install. Now we need to add permissions to some files. Now we have to do purchase verification. Then we need to add the database to the website. For this we need to create a database. Now we will submit the database information here. Then submit this database information to the website. Now we have to submit any email. Then we have to click on Install Now button. Our source code install is complete. Now we will delete the install file. Our Ads Network website is ready. Now we will log in admin panel. Then we need to change admin default password. First we will customize the advertising section. Here you can see all the advertising lists. So let's now create the package for the users. You can create unlimited package plans. Then you can create ad types. I will now teach you how to create a few ad types. Then you can customize cost per click and cost per impression. You can easily track visitor IP locations. And you can see different IP block lists. We can do specific keyword-based ads for the website. You will find many options to control advertiser accounts very easily. Also, you get many options to control publisher's account. You can view and control the list of all domains on the website. You can easily add international automatic payment gateway to the website. Website users can make payments using this international payment gateway. As an example, I will now add a Coinbase Commerce account to the website. For this, we need to create a Coinbase Commerce account. You can easily create a Coinbase Commerce account. Here you will create a Coinbase Commerce account by submitting the correct information. I have already created a Coinbase Commerce account, so I will log in now. Now I will teach you step by step how to add Coinbase Commerce account to website. For this, you follow this video. We have successfully added Coinbase Commerce account to the website. In this way, you can add other automatic payment gateways. Also, you can create manual payment gateway as per your requirement. For this, you have to submit manual payment gateway information here. Also, you can see all the deposit information. You can create withdrawal payment gateway as per your requirement. For this, you have to submit withdrawal payment gateway information here. You will also see various withdrawal information. You can reply to user support tickets. And you can see the various reports of the website. In the general settings section, we can customize various information of the website. Now we will add the target location API key to the website. For this, we need to create a IPStack account. We can create accounts for free. For this, we need to submit correct account information here. Now copy this API code and add it to the website. Now we will change the website logo and favicon. Wow, you can see our website logo and favicon has changed. Now we will customize the important extensions of the website. We must use Google reCAPTCHA for website security. For this we will disable custom CAPTCHA. Now I will teach you step by step how to add Google reCAPTCHA to website. For this, follow my video step by step. Then we can add live set pop-up for customer on website. For this we need to create talk.to account. You must follow this video step by step, then you can easily add live chat pop-up to website. Wow, you can see live chat pop-up on our website. Now customers can easily contact the website admin. You can also customize other plugins as per your needs. You can add languages of different countries to the website. Then you can translate these languages step by step. You can do the search engine optimization of the website very easily. So submit your SEO correct information here. We will now configure the website email. For this we need to set up SMTP email on the website. We will now create the business email in the hosting panel. Now I will teach you step by step how to set up SMTP email server on website, so you must follow this video completely. You can also add SMS gateway to the website as per your requirement. Also you can create unlimited pages for website. You can also edit the default pages. You can easily change the website homepage design step by step. You will find all kinds of functionality in the Manage section to change the home page design of the website. You can change the design of the website step by step through the Manage section. In this video we learn how to create a professional ads network website. If you have any questions about this video, then comment or mail and call via WhatsApp to contact us directly. Thank you so much watching this full video.